Sometimes when we go to build a machine learning model using the SWA AI platform, we bring in the data from the CSV file and we preview it by clicking on Preview. And then we click on Column View. And we just want to make sure that the data was brought in the proper format. So if we look in this case, we have a data set with 8 columns and we're showing the first 1,000 rows. And the transaction number, customer number, product group are all coming in as a string, which is correct. That was our intention. And the revenue and number of units purchased are coming in as an integer. Also, that's correct. But the purchase date in this case is brought in as a string, and that's not correct. We want to convert that to a date time format. So if we click out here, we can add something called convert column types. We start typing that in. It brings up the node. We select the data set as the CSV file that we had. We start typing in, well, we can see it right here, or we can start typing in our purchase date field, which is the one that we want to convert. It tells us it was brought in as a string. And we have 4 options here in terms of column types within the platform. We have date, which is what we want in this case. We want to convert it from a string to a date. We have a float, which is a number with decimal places. We have an integer, which is a number without decimal places, like a whole number. And then we have a string, which is text. In this case, we want to convert it to a date. We click Save. And then to verify that this worked, if we click on the new node, which has been added to our workflow, and we go to column view again, you'll see that nothing else has changed, but the purchase date has in fact been converted to a timestamp. And you'll see now in the range column, if we say auto size this column, the first 1,000 rows, the minimum date is January 2nd, 2022. So it worked properly, and you can convert columns from any of those 4 available formats to any other format. And that's the convert column type node. Thank you for watching.